Hey there friends, it's me Jenny, and today I wanted to make a video about how much I love Discord and basically my top 5 reasons why you should love Discord too. This video is not sponsored or anything, but I am a part of the Discord Hype Squad. So yeah, I'll be at PAX West this coming weekend, and if anyone sees me there, I've got all this cool Discord stuff like stickers and pins. So in case you didn't already know, I'm a streamer on Twitch and I love making videos here on YouTube. And I found Discord to be very helpful with organizing my conversations. Whether you're on a team or you're a streamer building a community of fellow gamers or creatives, Discord is a great free tool that helps you stay in touch with your friends. So without further ado, let's get started. Reason number 1. Discord really helps with community building and conversations. Available as a desktop app, mobile app, or in your web browser. There are many other features in addition to text chat messages. Number 2. Organization for discussions. You can create and highly customize personal Discord servers and create various channels for text, voice, video chat, and live streaming. Adjust your privacy settings to your liking. Friendly warning, if you don't set up your privacy settings correctly, you might get trolls in your Discord, so be sure to check in settings in your Discord server when setting the permissions. Add roles and display users with certain roles separately. Use roles in combination with privacy options to give the same privileges to particular roles. Number 3. Customizability. Add bots created for different purposes like alerts and specified channels about your favorite streamers when they go live or post a new YouTube video. I plan to make a video about my favorite Discord bots, and when I do, I'll be sure to post a link. Customize the look of your Discord server text using markdown text formatting. You can make many different voice and text channels within your server, and you can put those channels inside of folders. And if you're in a lot of other servers like I am, then it's helpful that you can also put the servers that you're in within folders as well. Number 4. Integration with Twitch and other social networks. Connect your other social networks so that when you're in Discord servers, people can click on your profile to get quick access to your channels. For Twitch streamers, be sure to connect to your channel so that you can give your supporters the Twitch subscriber role. Use the Stream Kit to integrate your Discord voice or video chat in your broadcasting software of choice. A lot of other creators, myself included, are always looking for ways to connect with others, to find resources and improve our crafts, and to find outlets where it's welcome to share your art, game dev, etc. Number 5. Voice and video chat. I especially love how Discord is continuously expanding the features they offer. And one thing I noticed recently is that they increased the amount of people who can be in a video chat at once, which is really useful if you're doing a video podcast, etc. Hey Google, how many people in a Discord video? Up to 10 people can be in a video chat on Discord at the same time. Nice. The voice chats in different channels is so cool for gamers because you can have different voice chats for different games, and it's a common way gamers will team up and communicate through Discord. Something else to consider is if you're playing a multiplayer game and you're streaming, you might want to be able to separate your voice chat with your teammates from your stream, just in case someone says something that's against the terms of service. So what I do and what many others do is they'll have the audio from their voice chat on Discord separated from their stream. That way you can mute or adjust the audio volume from your Discord chat while you're streaming. Don't forget that you're responsible for whatever you're broadcasting on your stream, and that includes what others may say in your Discord chat. Those are my top 5 reasons why I love Discord and why I think that it would be useful for you as well. If you're interested in the software or if you have any questions, feel free to leave comments below. And if you would like to visit me on Twitch, I stream regularly, usually Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, live by midnight Pacific Standard Time. Thanks for watching the video, friends, and I'll see you later.